For the last 5 years, I've been drawing only on the tablets with the screen, like an iPad or a display tablet. So I absolutely forgot how to use a graphic tablet. That is why when Parblo contacted me and suggested to try one of their cute tablets, I thought, why not? Sounds like a fun challenge. So today I want to try drawing on the usual graphic tablet for the first time since 2018, I think. Will I be able to create something beautiful on it? Or I've become too spoiled with the drawing on the displays? Let's find out and introduce our guests. Parblo Intangbo X7. I should say it is truly one of the most aesthetically pleasing unboxing videos I've ever done. The box feels high quality and looks amazing. Removing this cute cupboard thing and opening this super fancy cardboard imprisonment of our beautiful tablet. Just look at this color. It is so cute. Also, we have an instruction, some cute stickers, cleaning cloth, drawing glove, so our sweat from hard work wouldn't create an extra resistance while we draw. Paper from the inspection that says that the tablet was inspected with inspection and inspection is qualified, I guess. Collection of replaceable nibs. If you really like to press on the tablet, you'll be pleased with the amount of them. And the coolest thing is that everything here is in this beautiful color. So cute. Except for this boy. No spray paint for him, I guess? The pen not only has that amazing color, but it's also extremely well thought out. On the upper part of the pen, there is a ring for the nibs, with which you can pull out the old and tired nib and replace it with the new and happy one. You can also unscrew the top of the pen and put some nibs there. I tried to fit all of them in there, and it didn't work, so I had to use my brain a little, and then I realized that you're supposed to put 3 nibs in these special holes in the cork. Now everything worked. The pen also comes with a special little bed for it, so it would sleep tight and have lovely dreams when you're not using it. It is so hacking cute! The aesthetically pleasing cable for the tablet. And the black sheep of our bundle is the adapter from USB to USB-C. That's all we have in our box. Now it's time to set the drivers and try using the graphic tablet for the first time in 5 years. So now let's get some of that very raw experience. And it works! Look at that! I see the mouse there moving. So I haven't been using these things for like 5 years, and I actually surprised how comfortable it is. I didn't expect it to be that comfortable. Yeah, here we have our drivers. Yeah, here we see like the brushes sensitivity. You can try to push as hard as you can to find how hard you need to push to get to the maximum. Area settings, nice. Full screen, key settings. This is strange. Here on this button there is a plus, but here it says suction tube. What is suction tube? I don't want to know. Here you can customize the buttons. Let's try to move right to Photoshop, and let's try to sketch something. Wow, I forgot how to do that. Absolutely. But honestly, I thought it's gonna be much worse, because yeah, this sketch doesn't look beautiful, but this is like usual sketch I have. Nothing super extra, like difficult. The pressure sensitivity is pretty nice. It's very high right now, so it's drawing with a very slight touch. You get a nice thick line. You know what? I actually like drawing on this tablet. It's nice. I mean, yeah, pretty comfy. Now, this is actually a position I would use to draw in my bed, because we all know how you draw on a table. But what about the bed? And to be honest, this little tablet is quite enough to draw comfortably in your bed. When I got it, I thought it's gonna be too small for that, but right now, after sitting here for like 5 minutes and drawing, I can say it's quite big. I mean, it's enough. And I was expecting a huge struggle because of moving from the display tablet to the usual graphic tablet, but you know what? I don't feel any struggle at all. It feels very natural. I don't know, maybe a person who never used a graphic tablet would have some struggles, but I mean, I've been using one last time like 5 years ago. Maybe it's like riding a bicycle, of course, but honestly, I've expected some struggles like, I can't draw anymore. How is it possible to draw on the graphic tablets, I will never go back from my display tablets. But you know what? It is nice. And I love the pressure sensitivity by default. Of course, you can change it as you like. If you feel like it's too sensitive, you can lower it. Or if it's not sensitive enough, you can make it higher using this curve. So if you put it here, I think it will be more pressure sensitive, and here it will be less pressure sensitive. But I actually love how it's on default. Of course, when I zoom out, it's a bit more difficult to draw on graphic tablet than on display tablets. The closer you get, the easier it is, but in general, that's all right. Yeah, honestly, I got used to this tablet immediately. That is incredibly surprising for me. I was hoping for struggles, but you know what? I will actually probably use this tablet because, display tablets are really nice, especially if you have like a USB-C cable for your tablet. But when you don't have USB-C cable in your laptop or your computer and you want to draw in bed, you'll have to use a big, huge cable. And for this tablet, we don't need any big, huge cables, just one cable, that's all. I would totally use this tablet for some quick edits. I would absolutely enjoy using this tablet because it's really light, it's easy to connect, and it would be amazing for something like to go for travel or if you want to go somewhere with your laptop. Yeah, I mean, the drawing experience is very enjoyable, and I didn't prepare myself for like tablet for this. I just installed the drivers, plugged it in, and that's all. It already works. Of course, I have some struggles, okay. It's harder to control it from the distance. When I zoom out stuff, I feel less control. Probably because the tablet is small. For my stationary computer, I would like to get a bigger one. But as a first tablet, for example, this would be amazing. If you want something like super budget and nice, this is a great choice, yeah.
Then I tried to draw on my phone with it. I just plugged it in for fun and it immediately worked. I was super surprised. It doesn't require any drivers, and even pressure sensitivity works without any additional software. I downloaded the first random app for drawing I could find. It was an ibisPaint, and started drawing. This was my first time ever drawing on the phone, and it looks like I'm doing fine and it's easy, but internally I've been struggling. Mostly because of the new instrument plus new program combination, but even with the struggles, the whole experience was really fun. Maybe I'd be able to even get used to it. I totally lost that coordination I had when I've been using my graphic tablet all the time. I always get this problem when I'm switching tools. The first experience of using the iPad also threw me into despair. So that's alright. You need to spend time with the tablet in frustration until it becomes the extension of your hand. And that's the moment you start drawing freely. The pen. I really like the pen. It's light, it's colorful. You always have replaceable nibs on your hands, so the design is kinda the best. I won't hide it. I'm impressed. Usually they would put nibs inside a pen holder, but this tablet comes with a pen case instead, so I love that the designers still thought about our comfort here and put nibs right inside the pen. The surface of the tablet is really nice too and comfortable to draw. And talking about buttons, I absolutely love the wheel. They just make the drawing process so much fun. It's customizable, cute, and it works. I love it. And 5 buttons are quite enough for comfortable customization. This tablet would be actually great for travel if you wanna go somewhere. It's very light and small. You can even take it to school, work, or cafe and use it with your phone. For constant work at home, I would prefer something a bit bigger, because the bigger tablets offer a bit better precision just because of their size. I actually see this tablet as an awesome gift for someone, like a child or a friend. If you want to support their interest and passion in art, this tablet would be a great present, because the box is very festive, colorful and nice, as well as the tablet itself. It can be a great ticket to the world of digital art for somebody or for yourself. As a conclusion, I should say that it's a great tablet. Feel free to get one if you like how it looks, because it works really nice. But also, I'm too spoiled with the display tablets. I will be honest. I would be really happy to use it as an editing tool, like to quickly plug it into the computer and just edit something real quick. But 5 years of using displays were too much.
There is no way back for me, but if you like graphic tablets, you are more than welcome to try this one. Anyway, hope this review will be helpful. If you want to support me to do more of this kind of content and also get an access to all of my brushes, poses references and step-by-step tutorials, consider supporting me on Patreon.
Thank you for your patronage.
Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye!